All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you like buying shoes, sandals, or whatever? Yeah.
Yes, I would like to buy shoes or sandals. I pay much of my money
Most of my money,
most of my money on buying shoes.
most of my money is spent
Is spent in buying
on buying
on
shoes.
buying shoes and sandals, but mostly I buy comfortable shoes rather than a fashionable shoes because
Okay, that's fine. Just talk about, do you like buying shoes? I love to
love to.
buy shoes. I am fond of wearing nice shoes. I've got a very nice collection, something like that, okay? Now, let's go on. Have you ever bought shoes online?
Yes, I bought my shoes online, but I thought that it's not a good because
Once I bought shoes online and I
I
think the
think it
quality was
was
not good, past tense.
the quality was not good, and there is also an issue in my
There was an issue.
there was an issue in the size, so that's why I do not prefer uh, to
Buy
buy
shoes online.
shoes online.
Okay, now see, when say, have you ever bought shoes? Say, once I purchased a pair of shoes online and I was quite disappointed. In fact, the quality was not as good as they showed me in the picture. On the other hand, they sent me a wrong color and wrong size. So I never like to buy shoes online, something like that, okay? Past tense should be used very, very accurately. Okay, let's go on. Which do you prefer, fashionable shoes or comfortable shoes?
As I said you early that I
As I've told you
as I
earlier,
told you as I told you early that I want or I like to wear comfortable shoes rather than a fashionable shoes because in a fashionable shoes it's very discomfort to walk after 2 to 3 hours. It is very hard while walking, so that's why I really prefer to have a comfortable shoes rather than a fashionable shoes.
all right, this is good. Just grammar. That's what you need to do and try to be familiar because in actual exam, now for example, you answered all the questions about shoes. In actual exam, if they ask you this topic, you will answer without any second thought because you know. So that is why all the topics that you have, try to go through them. And this is what I say, answers should be readily available. Okay? Thank you so much.